Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects millions of men, often in silence: an enlarged prostate. Did you know that something as simple and comforting as a cup of tea could hold the key to significant relief? It sounds almost too good to be true, but stick with me, because science actually backs this up. We're going to explore how specific herbal teas can naturally combat the frustrating symptoms of this common condition. So, if you or someone you care about is constantly waking up at night or struggling with urinary issues, this video is for you. First, let's quickly understand the problem. An enlarged prostate, officially known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH, is incredibly common. In fact, it affects over half of all men by the time they hit their 50s, and the numbers just go up from there. The symptoms can be a real nuisance, right? You're making frequent, urgent trips to the bathroom, especially at night. You might find it difficult to start urinating, or when you do, the stream is weak. And perhaps the most annoying part is that feeling of not being able to fully empty your bladder. It's not just a minor inconvenience. It can seriously disrupt your sleep, your confidence, and your overall quality of life. Many men tend to brush these issues aside, thinking it's just a normal part of getting older. But ignoring them can lead to more serious complications down the road, like bladder damage or kidney problems. That's why finding a gentle, effective solution is so important, and this is where the humble cup of tea comes into play. So, how can a simple beverage make such a difference? The magic lies in the powerful, naturally occurring compounds found in certain herbs. These bioactive substances act as potent anti-inflammatories, powerful antioxidants, and even hormone regulators. They work together to soothe irritated prostate tissue, slow down excessive cell growth, and ultimately, help you regain control over your urinary function. Unlike many conventional treatments that can come with a list of undesirable side effects, these herbal teas offer a natural approach that works with your body, not against it. Let's talk about three of the most effective ones: nettle tea, green tea, and saw palmetto tea. Let's start with nettle tea. You might know nettle as that pesky plant that stings, but when dried and steeped, it becomes a powerhouse for prostate health. Research has shown that nettle root can interfere with a process in the body called aromatase activity. This is a key pathway linked to the enlargement of the prostate. By gently blocking it, nettle tea helps reduce the swelling and inflammation at the source. It's like telling your body to calm down and stop overreacting. Plus, nettle is packed with nutrients that support overall urinary tract health. It's a fantastic, all-natural way to start tackling those frustrating symptoms. Next up, we have a tea many of you are probably already familiar with: green tea. But its benefits go way beyond just a pleasant morning drink. Green tea is loaded with a type of antioxidant called catechins, with the most famous one being EGCG. These catechins are incredible at fighting oxidative stress, which is essentially cellular damage that can contribute to inflammation and tissue growth in the prostate. By neutralizing harmful free radicals, green tea helps protect the prostate cells and promotes a healthier urinary system. Studies have shown that regular consumption can lead to noticeable improvements in urinary flow and a reduction in those nighttime bathroom trips. And finally, let's talk about saw palmetto tea. Saw palmetto has long been hailed as a champion for men's health, and for good reason. Its main role is in hormone regulation. An enlarged prostate is often linked to an imbalance in hormones, particularly the conversion of testosterone into a more potent form called DHT. Saw palmetto contains compounds that help inhibit this conversion process. By keeping hormone levels more balanced, it discourages the prostate cells from multiplying unnecessarily. Think of it as a natural thermostat for your hormones, helping to keep things in a healthy, stable range. This makes it one of the most studied and recommended herbs for BPH. So now you might be wondering, this all sounds great, but how do I actually use these teas? The best part is how incredibly easy it is to incorporate them into your daily routine. For nettle tea, you can find pre-made tea bags or use loose-leaf dried nettle. Just take about a tablespoon of the dried leaves, put them in a mug, and pour hot, not quite boiling, water over them. Let it steep for about 5 to 7 minutes to really extract all those beneficial compounds. Strain it, and enjoy. Drinking 1 or 2 cups a day is a great starting point. For green tea, the process is similar. Just be careful not to use water that's too hot, as it can make the tea taste bitter. A good temperature is around 175 degrees Fahrenheit or 80 degrees Celsius. Steep for 2 to 3 minutes. And for saw palmetto, it's often available in tea bags, specifically formulated for prostate health, sometimes blended with other beneficial herbs. Just follow the instructions on the package. The key with any of these teas is consistency. It's not a one-time fix. You need to make it a regular habit. Many men start to notice a real difference in their symptoms within just a few weeks of consistent, daily use. And the benefits don't stop at your prostate. These teas are doing so much more for your overall well-being. Nettle tea, for example, is a natural diuretic that helps flush the kidneys and can strengthen your immune system. Green tea is renowned for boosting metabolism and providing a clean source of energy without the jitters of coffee. It's a holistic approach, not just targeting one symptom, you're nurturing your entire body. It's a natural, gentle solution that addresses the root causes of the problem rather than just putting a temporary bandage on the symptoms. And it does so without the worry of side effects that can sometimes accompany prescription medications. Of course, tea is a fantastic tool, but for the best results, it should be part of a broader healthy lifestyle. There are a few other simple changes you can make that will supercharge your progress. First, take a look at your fluid intake. While it's crucial to stay hydrated, try to reduce your intake of caffeine and alcohol, as they can irritate the bladder and make symptoms worse. Spreading your water intake throughout the day, rather than drinking a lot at once, can also help. Second, let's talk about diet. Incorporating more zinc-rich foods can be incredibly beneficial for prostate health. Great sources of zinc include pumpkin seeds, walnuts, chickpeas, and lentils. Sprinkling some pumpkin seeds on your morning oatmeal or yogurt is an easy and delicious way to get that extra boost. And don't forget about exercise. Regular physical activity, even just a brisk 30-minute walk each day, improves circulation, helps you maintain a healthy weight, and reduces inflammation throughout the body, including in the prostate. When you combine these simple lifestyle tweaks with a daily herbal tea ritual, you create a powerful synergistic effect. You're giving your body everything it needs to heal and rebalance itself. Adding a comforting cup of nettle or green tea to your day can truly be the turning point your prostate health has been waiting for. So, if you're tired of letting prostate issues control your life, I encourage you to give this natural approach a try. Don't just dismiss the symptoms as an inevitable part of aging. You deserve to feel your best, to sleep through the night, and to go about your day without constant worry. Start today. Swap out one of your usual drinks for a cup of healing herbal tea. Be consistent, be patient with your body, and pay attention to the positive changes. It's a small step that can lead to a massive improvement in your quality of life. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this information helpful and believe it could help others, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more health tips to help you live a better, healthier life. Your support means the world to us. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.